everybody, my name is Kris. You're singing with Kris Tech here, and I hope you're doing very well. Today's gonna be a fun video because we're gonna start our first ever event in Algodoo, our first ever LG event. This event is called Marble Get Into the Ball. So there's gonna be like a fan, and then there's gonna be a little like tilted shelf. The marbles are gonna be in on that shelf. They're gonna roll onto the fan, and we're gonna see which marbles get into the box that's underneath and which go out. The ones that go out lose, the ones that get in win. So here we are in Algodoo, and now for making an event, you have to zoom out, because zooming in too much, it's gonna make the objects like very light. Like if you play, like keep a little like a giant marble, but you're like zoomed in so much and you play it, it's gonna like that. It's gonna fall down like at this speed. It's gonna like already to the ground. So that's why you want to zoom out, because it's like very big, and that increases the mass. So here we are in Algodoo. So let's start with the fan. We're gonna make a circle like this big, and now you can see you have this little like cake mark in it. So we're gonna double click on it, or right click if you're using desktop. So we're gonna go to appearance and uncheck draw borders. Oh, sorry, not borders. Uncheck draw cake circle. And you can also blur the edge, but we don't need to do that right now. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna zoom in a little bit, because now we get the tiny little squares inside the big giant squares. We're gonna start at this point, cut it up to this point, and then straight to the left. Now delete this portion, and now do the same for the other three. Okay, so we have our fan, and now we have to add an axle. So we're gonna double click on it, go to geometry actions, and click add center axle. So here's the axle, the dots matching the sky. So we're gonna double click on it, select motor, and appearance for the axle is gonna be completely invisible. So let's see if it works. That's a pretty good working fan. You need it at like this speed for like this type of event. So let's make the shelf now. And we're gonna zoom in a little bit, and now we're gonna make it like this big. We're gonna tilt it a little. You're gonna double click, and then you're gonna take your second finger and bring it down or up. So you drag it to here, it's gonna go right here, and then we're gonna put like the marbles. And let's also add the little like box. We're gonna start like so one little mark here and one mark here, because it's gonna be a little complicated, so you have to make the box a little wide. So we're gonna select both, go to geometry actions, and glue to background. Make sure you do that, otherwise the shelf is gonna fall, and if the marble hits one of these little marks, the mark is gonna like boop, done. The mark is gonna fall down. So let's do the same for this one. Geometry actions, add center axle. Oops, sorry. Glue to background. Okay, so now guys, take your time on designing. I'm just gonna finish my designs. Okay, so here I'm done with my designing, and I have my marbles here. They're in rainbow order. And now for the moment of truth, let's see which one wins and which ones lose. And oh my god, pink is the loser, but these 5 are the winners. 6, sorry. So green, purple, blue, orange, red, yellow, those are the winners. So that's basically today's extremely fun video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe if you're new or you haven't. Let's get to 50 subs. Comment down below on what you would like to learn in future videos. Make sure to hit the thumbs up and have an awesome day.